Dr. Shivangi Verma. I have done 2 days colposcopic course under Dr. Priya Ganesh ma'am, and this is really a very good course because at the I have done this at the beginning of my career, and ma'am has given us very good teaching experience about the colposcopy, its instrument details, and how to do the procedure in the right way, and what are the follow-up we have to tell the patients. And she has given us the hands-on training in this 2 days colposcopy course. I recommend everyone to do this colposcopic course because with this course you will get the basics how to do the colposcopy, how to counsel the patient in the OPD, how to do the documentation, and how to follow up the patient properly. So, and ma'am has given us the hands-on training along with the teaching experience. So I recommend everyone to learn under Dr. Priya Ganesh ma'am. She is literally a pioneer, and literally I'm very happy to get training under Dr. Priya ma'am. Thank you.
Dr. Kunri from Faridabad, SSB Hospital. I have come for this 2 days course, and from this 2 days course, I have learned many things about colposcopy and how to interpret. Madam has also given us hands-on program. So we had done colposcopy on patients also, and I feel I'm very lucky that I've got a chance to learn from such a renowned, learned teacher, Dr. Priya Ganesh. And I would recommend everyone to take the opportunity to come for this 2 days course, which will be very helpful for everyone in your practice, and which is one of the most important subject in cancer awareness and also for the prevention of cancer. Thank you.
Nurtan Yadav. I'm a gynecologist in Dwarka, Sector 12, New Delhi. And I came here for the 2 days course, colposcopy course, in Sai Nivas from Dr. Priya Ganeshan, and I found it very useful. I got some hands-on training also, and lots of information, lots of the teaching was done by Dr. Priya, and I found it very effective for the prevention of cancer. I think everybody should go and do this course, and it's really very nice.
Hello friends, I'm Dr. Vandana Goyal, practicing as a freelancer in South Delhi. I did Dr. Priya's course for 2 days, which is a basic colposcopy course, and I felt it was like an eye-opener because I realized so many times एक तो जो हम देखते हैं उससे बहुत ज़्यादा अंदर होता है. So colposcopy is much indicated in very many patients. दूसरा, so commonly we are doing a pap smear, we are doing the LVC correctly, and most often getting a report of NILM. So actually there is some problem in the lab techniques because जो इतना हमें obvious disease भी लगता है उसमें reports error आता है. So I really feel that all doctors, including the general practitioners also who are seeing female patients, should once at least do this course and then continue to learn, because we don't realize the importance of preventive oncology, which is very important to lower down the rate of cervical cancer. And the advantage of this course is that whatever equipments etc which are required for the following all that we learn are also very easily available. Plus we get connected with some person who's as learned in this field as Dr. Priya. So that we in case send referrals, so we send the referrals to the right place. And I wish you all I really by heart request all the doctors who are seeing female patients should attend this course and stay connected with Dr. Priya for further doubts and for clarification regarding anything to do with cervix cervical cancer or CIN or LSIL or the pap smear screening, etc. A very good part of this course is that we actually get a exposure to the thing directly, hands-on technique that we learn. It builds in the confidence to be able to handle the Colpo machine, which nowadays is very easily available in most of the institutions, and we can also purchase our own through them, the new AI machine, and to learn the actual technique to use the equipments is that gives us the confidence. Thank you.